Hello guys, so today I'm here to show you how to use a financial calculator to come up with the cost of capital of the bond. I'm doing this because today in the workshop we were trying to solve question number 13.5 on chapter 13, and one of the things we need to solve was the cost of capital of the bond. And I do have the financial calculator, and so do a lot of other classmates, but some people weren't clear about how to use it to calculate the cost of capital here in this case. So I'm just gonna show you guys now. But unfortunately, I cannot show you what's on my screen here, but I will tell you how to do it step by step, and you just follow my instructions and press it one by one. You will get the same result as I do. So I've highlighted the relative portion here. So it says there's 9% coupon bonds is paid semi-annually, and it has a maturity of 15 years and currently priced at 1440.03 per bond. So after reading this question, we know that we receive cash flow for the first 29 periods. Why were 29 periods? Because in the 30 periods, we not only receive the annual cash flow, but also we receive the principal. So let's do the calculation here. Cash flow from 0 to 29, that is 1,000 times 9% and divided by 2, and it gives us 45. And for the cash flow on the 30th periods, we have 1,000 plus 45. That is 1,045. So because this bond is paid semi-annually, so the maturity of 15 years, there should be 30 periods. So in this case, if the bond is paid annually, then there's 15 periods. So you get it? So okay. And okay, let's get your financial calculator on hand. We put in here. I'm doing this at the same time, and I will write down the things I'm doing with my financial calculator as well. So first I press on and off, of course, and I press CF and shows CF0 on the screen. CF0 on the screen, so CF0 is actually the price, the current price of the bond. So we put 1440.0, and remember there's a minus sign here because this is a cash outflow, so we put a minus sign there. Okay, I'm pressing it right now, and after that we press enter. And next we press the down arrow and shows the C01. So C01 is actually 45. That is okay. C01 is 45. We receive annual payment of 45. For how long? For 29 periods, right? So next we press the down arrow again, shows F01. That is 29 periods. 29 periods here, and you press enter. Alright, every time you put a number, you also put enter. Okay, and next you press the down arrow and shows C02. C02 is 1045. here we get the cash flow from the 30th period, the last period, and enter, of course. And F02 F02 is just 1. You don't have to change it, it's just in default, it's just 1. So next step is most important one. We press IRR and then we press CPT, and it gives us the answer for 2.42, but because it's a semi-annually paid bond here, so the annual cost of capital here should be this times 2, that is 4.84. If it's a complicated number, so you can just press the financial calculator, you can just press times 2 and it will do the calculation automatically. That gives us the same answer, 4.84 here. So basically everything we need to know about using the financial calculator to calculate the cost of capital of the bond is here. Okay, I'm just show you the question here, and the steps I've written down in very detail, and I hope this helps you. But the other parts of the question is a lot more complicated to say here in this video, but you can ask me if you're not sure how to solve it, or if you have more questions about it. Just you're welcome to talk to me. Yes, and thank you and goodbye.